let's start the painting. So in this painting we will use 3 color in the background. That will be cobalt blue, Persian blue and white color. So just take it out on your color palette. I will take Persian blue. Then I am taking cobalt blue and blend it with Persian blue.
Take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on.
And now dip your brush into water. So I'm taking one more brush, the simple clean one. So I have to just give a smooth blend here without color. So that's it. So our background is ready now. Now the next thing is we have to do the second work. So let it dry fully, then we will go with second work. So for the next portion we need cobalt blue color. You can have bottle one also. White color, yellow color, chrome yellow I am taking. So now we have to make feathers. So feathers will be in this direction. One will be go upward side and one will be here, and this point we have to focus this and this, and we have to make a bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger according to our hands movement. Okay, and one will be here same, and one will be here and here. This is your final painting that you have to make.
Some time, but I'll be alright.